So I guess you didn't like it, huh?
It's so good. Absolutely love it.
Previous.
Here at the plant-based party, and Sharon's excited because she loves everything plant-based. She's been 100% vegan for a long time now. It's been over a year, right? And I'm mostly vegan. I'm trying to be better. It takes a lot of discipline. Anyway, we're here to learn more about the plant-based diet and all the benefits come with it, and we're here to be healthy.
So I guess you didn't like it, huh?
It's so good. Absolutely love it. Wow, these vegan lentils taste just like Sloppy Joe's, and they taste amazing. I can't get enough. I'm gonna go for thirds now. I already had 2 plates. I'm gonna go for a third. Scott, and this is my fiance Sharon. She's been 100% vegan for almost 2 years now, and in LA there was like so many options for vegan restaurants, and so we started a YouTube vlog. We review and show a lot of vegan restaurants and vegan events like everywhere we go. How's it? We're here at AMC now. We're gonna see a movie at the Clear Fork location. It's a very upscale area of Fort Worth with all the upscale designer brand stores. So we're gonna check out a movie called Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Whoa, he's a good dog. Wow, he's good. Whoa, that was good. Wow, that was so cool. This is a typical man and woman relationship. The man is just like trying to enjoy his life, be happy, and have a good time. And then the girl is just, the girl puppy right now is getting in his kennel. She's taking his toys from him. Whenever they went outside to pee, he's looking for a place to pee and poop. And she actually started peeing in his face as he was sniffing the ground. Like, wow, this is typical man and woman, right? The man just wants to be happy and be peaceful, and the girl's like constantly attacking him. You look so freaking adorable with that lipstick. What made you want to go with the bright red?
Wait. What is this?
So we have a channel for travel and food. What are you doing?
I'm the solar people.
Oh,
You have a solar
really?
panel on your house?
No.
No?
But what are the tax incentives?
30% federal tax credit.
Oh, really?
It's going down next year, 26%.
Tax credit means that it will come off of the taxes owed?
Yes, if, like that, a solar panel on your house, and it's making electricity, and it's making more than your house needs at that given moment, it goes back through into the grid, and they give you credit for that power. For every kilowatt you send to them, they then owe you that kilowatt back in credit. Many of the utility companies will then also at the end of the year, if you still have a credit, they'll pay you for that credit, because they take that power, sell it to your neighbor. So they're getting more electricity at really no rate, because you're the one who put this on. They don't have to do anything to get it. So that's why they give you that credit.